Hello and welcome to your Biology GCSE video. My name is Justine, one of the biologists here at Red Balloon. I'm so pleased that you're here. In this video, you'll gain insight into what you'll learn if you study this course, why biology is such an exciting path, along with other key information. To begin with, what is biology? So this is the study of the natural world and all the living things in it, from the largest mammals down to our very own microscopic genetic information, known as our DNA. The study of biology is the study of all life. It's an opportunity to examine the evolution of the creatures on this planet and how some animals thrived while others didn't. The first module you would study is one of my personal favourites, cell biology. You'll come to understand the workings of cell biology, the building blocks of life. You'll learn about the use of microscopes and what we're able to achieve from using these advanced tools. You'll learn about the organisation of plants and animals, how cells work together to form tissues, and tissues into organ systems, all interacting with one another in the human body. Then there's infection and response, which is all about communicable diseases, looking at how they are spread and the different defense systems that humans have to help protect against invading pathogens such as bacteria. We have a module on bioenergetics, which is the fascinating process of how plants make their own food and how all living organisms require respiration in order to release energy from their food to fuel their living processes. There's the intricate world of our nervous system and how this enables us to react to our surroundings, coordinating our responses via millions of nerve cells which carry electrical impulses. You'll study how genetic information is passed through generations and how genetic inheritance controls the characteristics of all living things. And finally, ecology, the interactions between organisms and their environment, our human impact on those relationships, and what can be done to protect and conserve biodiversity. Threaded throughout each of these modules, you'll learn practical skills. And for Biology GCSE, there are 10 required practicals, and these are the key areas that the exam board states we must cover to develop a range of vital skills. Some of these experiments can be done at home. We'll send you a biology resource box full of exciting pieces of equipment to allow you to conduct some of our investigations. And for others, these might require chemicals or equipment we can't send home. And for these, there'll be an opportunity to come into centre to meet your biology teacher and us carry out these practicals together. There are 2 tiers for exams in our science subjects, and usually most learners with us take foundation tier, which will gain up to a grade 5. But there is the option to take the higher tier, which would give access to the grades above this. There are 2 exams to take at the end of this course, each lasting 1 hour, 45 minutes. For Biology GCSE, there is a 10% maths expectation. The level of maths, though, is no higher than what you'd expect to study at Key Stage 3. The exam papers are a mix of multiple choice questions, short and longer response questions, and each exam is worth 50% of your GCSE grade. 15% of these marks will assess practical skills learned during our experiment-based sessions. Biology is a fascinating course with so many directions of interest. It is fast-paced, however, and we cover a lot of content in just that 1 year. So there's an expectation to undertake independent learning in addition to our taught sessions. So it's really important that you feel you can commit to exploring further content outside of our lesson time. This could be in the form of videos that I set you to watch, quizzes to try, and maybe some additional slides to look at. Biologists try to understand how animals and other organisms, plants, including humans, how we evolved and the things that can make us ill or improve our health. And biologists use this knowledge to, for example, try and prevent the spread of disease, track down natural resources, improve public health, animal care and conservation, and work out the impacts of, for example, pollution. Biologists are observers. They want to learn new things. A new thing could be something that others have studied before but still don't fully understand, or an organism or a question that no one has studied before. Biologists design experiments to best address this. These experiments might be in the lab, in the form of fieldwork, or using computer modelling programs. And once data is collected, it can be analysed and used to make a conclusion about the original question. And this will lead biologists to ask new questions and continue to perform experiments. So where can GCSE biology lead? Well, studying biology can be a stepping stone to a specialised career which might involve, for example, delving deeper into the impact of climate change on food crops, developing cures for diseases, or working together to clean up the world's polluted oceans. And the field continues to grow, expanding into areas unheard of a few years ago. Astrobiologists, for instance, study the effect of outer space on living organisms. Bioclimatologists study how the climate affects plants and animals. Cryobiologists study the effects of low temperatures on living organisms, while bioinformaticians apply their computer skills to solving problems in medicine and the life sciences. If you feel you have an interest in biology, then join us as we explore this fascinating subject together, as we are here with you on this journey. For any further information, please feel free to contact me at the email address shown. And from the biology team for now, thank you.